I'm Amy Miller-Marvin, the president and CEO of Hawaii Foodbank. Hawaii Foodbank's been around for about 40 years. We're the largest anti-hunger organization in the state. Last year, we distributed more than 17 million pounds of food throughout the community. And our mission is really to be sure that everybody gets equitable access to safe and healthy food. Nobody goes to bed hungry. Food insecurity is a really serious issue in Hawaii. Right now, about 1 in 6 Hawaii residents, including 1 in 4 children, is food insecure. That's why we're so grateful to have a partnership with First Hawaiian Bank. They're one of the first organizations to come on over 30 years ago when we started our annual food drive day, and really helped us to get the word out there in a way I don't think we would have been able to do on our own. And then really been alongside as a partner, supporter, in so many ways ever since. I was just looking at the numbers. Over 300 volunteers in the past few years have come from First Hawaiian Bank to support helping with annual food drive day, and then helping with volunteering on the daily basis. So we have First Hawaiian Bank teams that have come in to help packing for our school pantry program, for our keiki, and for our kupuna with our senior food box program. When the Maui wildfires happened, the support that we have, we were really able to reach out to Maui Food Bank and work hand in hand with them. And we had our annual food drive day already planned for August, and we felt it was really important to use that opportunity to support our partners in Maui. First Hawaiian Bank was our major sponsor for food drive day. That day alone, we were able to provide over 500,000 meals to Maui thanks to First Hawaiian Bank. We say over and over how lucky we are to live in a place where people really do take care of each other. And we saw that from day one. People reaching out to say, how can we help? Can we send dollars? Can we send food? There's so many different ways that people can give to support Hawaii Food Bank and join in the fight against hunger. Easiest way is just to go to our website and make a donation online, www.hawaiifoodbank.org. It's really simple. You can make a gift that way. You can also volunteer. We have tons of volunteer opportunities all available through our website, coming here down at the warehouse to sort food, to pack food, and then in partnership with our agencies to help distribute it to our community. You can also host a food drive or a fun drive, maybe through your school, through your company, through your community. We think it's possible. We can end food insecurity in Hawaii, but we can only do it because of the support of individuals and companies, foundations, and First Hawaiian Bank's just been a real leader in that, and we're incredibly grateful.